How to fix Google account stuck on verifying phone number problem. First, wait before trying again. Google may temporarily block verification after too many attempts. Wait 24 hours before retrying. In some security cases, Google may require up to 7 days before allowing verification again. Clear browser cache and cookies. Broken cookies can cause endless verification loops. In your browser, tap the little icon next to the link. Go to cookies and site data, and then simply just delete the cookies. Then go to site settings and click clear data. Second, use a real mobile number. Google often rejects VoIP numbers, temporary SMS services, and numbers used for too many accounts. Google officially limits how many accounts can use the same number. Third, remove VPN or proxy. VPNs can trigger Google security checks. Disable VPNs, turn off proxy settings, and retry with normal internet connection. And last but not least, check phone number format. Make sure your country code is correct, there's no spaces or symbols that are wrong, and the SIM can receive SMS or calls. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.